What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a 2023 Cadillac Escalade, and I know what you're guessing. Are we going satin black, satin matte black? You're not wrong, so we are doing that, but this vehicle is a little bit different because as you can see, this one does have the panda look. When the customer got the vehicle, it already had the wrap on there. This is a vinyl wrap, so it's not a PPF. So the vinyl wrap had kind of the black top here with that panda look, and then had this like gloss beige type bottom. So they wanted to get rid of that and they want to go to a satin vinyl black. So we're going to do that. We're going to go ahead and remove this vinyl right here. So it's going to be removed. Then we're also going to put on the satin black for them and then leave some gloss pieces. So we're going to leave, obviously the mirror's going to stay gloss. We're going to do some gloss on the door handles there for them. And then this vehicle also is going to get retinted in Lumar Stratos tint. So that will be happening as well. So again, I know it's again another satin black there for you, but different project because this vehicle was originally white, had the vinyl on there, top, bottom with the gloss and kind of this beige color. So now it'll be a gloss top, gloss black top with a black vinyl. So we'll see how that comes out. We're going to get started on this vehicle and we'll see in just a little bit.
Finally, Edgar wants to record me again. You don't want to record me for a while there, bro. I haven't took too good of a look at the wrap so far yet, but judging on the looks of it, looks like they used some low quality material with some low quality results, which resulted in low quality wrap job. But they're over here at Mile High and we're gonna take care of them. Gonna make sure they get pristine results with actual quality vinyl, so none of these corners are peeling right here and stuff like that. And yeah, we're just gonna deliver the customer the parts they deserve.
All right guys, so it's finally complete. Another matte black in the books, as we say, AKA matte black customs with another one. Again, we went ahead and took care of the bottom half of this Cadillac Escalade in a satin black vinyl. The customer already had the top half in the gloss black, so we just want to get the contrast here for you in the gloss, in the satin black vinyl on the bottom. A couple things that we did to this one that we don't do all the time. The customer had this chrome deleted originally, but when we got it back, a lot of this area was chipped up around the trim. So you had a couple different options. He didn't want to repaint it and PPF it. So what we did is we actually went over this with a gloss black PPF. So it kind of kills two birds with one stone. So now you get the gloss black look and it's protected on those areas that were previously chrome deleted and chipped up. So again, this is a gloss black PPF in some of these pieces right here, all the chrome delete pieces. And then we went over the vehicle with the satin black vinyl. And then the icing on the cake was the 24-inch Forgiato Trimestre in the brushed aluminum. Now, I think this looks great with the contrast on the vehicle. The customer was going back and forth on whether he wanted the gloss black or the brushed aluminum. I think he made a great choice with this. The contrast is awesome. It stands out everywhere. The wheel looks great on top of the vinyl. So guys, let us know what you think. Did the customer make the right decision going with the Trimestre in the brushed aluminum? Should we have gone gloss black? And how do you like this Cadillac with the two-tone gloss black top, satin black bottom, 24-inch wheels? We'll catch you next time. Mile High Customs, matte black customs. We out of here. Peace out. Enjoy the Cadillac.